It this petchai, guys, was accidentally planted here. Malve. It this petchai, guys, was accidentally planted here. Yeah, there was only one seed fell down while I was planting the spinach, and then look, luckily I didn't pluck because I know the leaves when it is just sprouted, I saw that, oh, these leaves are different, so I kept it, and look at it now. It's petchai, so I'm going to take this petchai and to put in my nilagang baka. Yes, look. So I'm going to take it slowly, because I want that this one will grow more. Yes, look at that. Oh, and this one, guys, is in my daughter's windowsill. Look, so I am taking it slowly because I want to give more. Can you see? Look at that. And in here as well. And ayan. Wow, I've got just a little, and I planted more petchai downstairs, but they are still very young. So look at that now. My spinach, they are ready to be harvested and cook as well, or put in our smoothies. Wow, look at that. So nice.
Companies and institutions with the lesson